Welcome to our Python and Selenium tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to automate a Wikipedia search using Python and Selenium WebDriver. Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browsers, and Python makes it easy to write scripts to interact with web pages. Before we begin, ensure that Google Chrome browser is installed on your system. Additionally, we need to install the Selenium library into our Python environment. To do this, open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install selenium. This will install the Selenium library, allowing us to automate web interactions with Python. Once the installation is complete, we can proceed with our Selenium automation. Let's get started. First, we need to import the necessary modules from the Selenium library and initialize the Chrome WebDriver. Next, we'll use the WebDriver to open the Wikipedia homepage. Now, let's locate the search input field on the Wikipedia homepage using Selenium's WebDriver wait, which is waiting for the element to appear and only continues if the element is available. Once we've located the search input field, we'll enter our search query for Python programming language. Note that the sleep function call is only used so that you can see what is happening in the browser, since these actions happen quite fast. Next, we'll locate and click the search button using WebDriver wait. We'll wait for the search results to load using WebDriver wait. Once the search results have loaded, we'll extract the title of the article using Selenium. Finally, we'll close the browser window to end the WebDriver session. Now, let's run our code and see if our browser automation works. And there you have it. We've successfully automated a Wikipedia search for the Python programming language using Python and Selenium WebDriver. This is just one example of what you can do with Selenium and Python to automate web interactions. Feel free to download the code from the description below and try it out on your own. Experiment with different websites and automation tasks to further explore the capabilities of Selenium and Python. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Python tutorials, automation tips, and programming content. Your support helps us create more videos like this to help you on your coding journey. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!